Hi guys, welcome back to Gunter Benzmeister. On today's show, I have a little story time I want to share with you. It's a bit of a sensitive matter. Don't take it too lightly. This could turn into a major disaster in your car if you forget about it. Put it on your calendar, remember it always. Every 6 months, you must do this. Here in the corner of the sunroof, if you look very, very carefully, there is a drainage duct. This is where the rainwater flows after it rains and gets in there. Right there in the corner. And this goes all the way down to the bottom of the car. If it gets clogged up, the water pools in your sunroof, rust starts to develop, and it can flow into the interior of the car and get into the computer modules and into your dashboard. And that costs thousands of dollars to fix. But it doesn't have to. You buy this cheap trimmer line at the store. It's the trimmer line that you couldn't use to cut a single blade of grass. It's so weak. This is girly man trimmer line. Smallest, gentlest trimmer line you can get. It's perfect for this. Buy a roll of it, keep it forever. Now, if you have an old trimmer line that you don't think you need to use, be careful, because that can break and snap when you put it in these ducts. Make sure it's strong. So get fresh trimmer line, okay? As well as the trimmer line, you need some silicone lubricant. Don't use WD-40. That will not do a good job and will clog up your ducts even more. Put the silicone lubricant on the string a little bit. Push it down these ducts, gently working it back and forth. And this will undo any built up dirt and organic matter that gets in there. And then pour some water in there to let it wash out. Maybe if you're brave, a little bit of white vinegar to clean it all up. And that's it. Nice, simple, cheap. You can do it the cheap way or wait a few years or maybe 10 years and then you could do it the expensive way. Anyhow, please like, subscribe, and we'll come